Welcome. After watching this video till end, you will come to know how to install MATLAB, the latest edition in 2024. I have already explained how to download the latest edition of MATLAB in one of my previous videos. You can watch this video by hitting at the card showing to this direction at your screen. I am Muhammad Awais and you are watching Dr. Square. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel. Now let's get started. So here is the setup file. We need to run this. I need to give the email that I used to sign up. Hit next, give password, and then click at sign in. To proceed further, you need to accept the terms of the license agreement. You should read it first. Anyways, yes, next. Trial individual, which will expire on 7th March 2024. Next. These are my credentials. Next. Choose destination. I'm leaving it to default. Next. These are the products that you can install with this installation wizard. The recommended products are already pre-selected. So next. If you want to add a shortcut to desktop, make sure you select this box. Next. By the way, if you made a mistake, go back and address that mistake. Next. 4.02 GB is required. So just begin install. It will download 1.57 GB data at the same time and install 3.82 GB data from the zip file and from the downloaded data at the same time. And the MATLAB software, the latest edition, has been successfully installed. Hit close. To run the software, just go to start menu, MATLAB, open it. So here is the software. So this software is ready to analyze your data. If you really like this video, hit like. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment and share it with other fellows. And it is to humbly remind you, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.